Hi, I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV, and we're here with Alexander Blum of Blum Novatest, and we're going to be talking about the LC Digilog today. Alexander, could you tell me a little bit about Blum Novatest?
Well, Blum Novatest, we just celebrated our 50th company anniversary, founded on 1st of June 1968 in southern Germany, and last year we introduced a new product to the market, end of last year in Europe, the LC Digilog, and today is our official product launch for the North American market.
Awesome. Now, could you tell us a little bit about the LC Digilog?
Well, LC Digilog is the next generation of laser measuring technology. And laser measuring technology has been introduced by Blum Novatest more than 30 years ago to the market, and step by step increased the accuracy what we're doing. And we measure all tools for length, for radius. We check the form of tools for tool wear, check for broken tools, and this is state-of-the-art technology today. And so far we were collecting one trigger signal to get all this done on the machine. With today's possibilities with a good processing capability of the controls, we can do much more. And this is what LC Digilog is featuring. What we're actually doing is, with the LC Digilog, we're scanning the whole tool. We're not just taking a trigger signal and send it to the control, but when we shade the laser beam, we step by step can see how the tool geometry is developing when we scan through the beam. And this way we are able to do the whole measurement nowadays much faster, much more accurate again, and even more reliable than it was in the past.
So by using the LC Digilog, you can actually swap out a tool before it starts damaging product, correct?
You identify the development of your tool on the machine. You're able to automate your process. You identify what's going on without an operator being present. And on the other side, you're also improving the quality because you're setting the values on the machine tool exactly to what the real cutting diameter, the real cutting length is.
Awesome. And so what kind of tolerances can this measure?
Well, the repeatability of such technology today is in the range of 4 millionths of an inch, and the absolute accuracy in the range of 40 millionths of an inch. And what's also included with this new technology is we're not only able to do all these things what we did with ANT technology, but we also are able now to scan a tool and actually show how the tool looks like at each point in the machine tool, at each contact point with the workpiece.
And does this require any downtime on the machine?
Well, we're not measuring during the machining operation, but our customers are looking at using laser measuring technology as an investment in time, and the return of investment is higher productivity of the machine, less scrap and better quality.
And what machines is this product best suited for?
Basically all machines, from entry-level machines, how we call them, to absolutely sophisticated, super expensive machines. If you look where we sell our products, we sell them certainly a lot here in the United States, but we also sell in Southeast Asia and China and all countries of the world. And so in even inexpensive applications, it makes a lot of sense to have an automated process going on to check for the quality of your tool and what you're producing on the machine tool.
Awesome. And what can a visitor expect to see if they stop by the Blum Novatest booth?
Well, I think what people can learn in our booth is everything about the closed-loop manufacturing and how to produce good parts on a machine rather than to measure later how much scrap you have produced.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. That was Alexander Blum of Blum Novatest, and I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV. Thanks for joining.